Good day, everyone. This video is about classifying polynomials according to the degree and the number of terms. If you want to know about this lesson, just keep on watching. Okay, so how do we classify polynomials? We classify polynomials according to the degree of the polynomial and the number of terms in the polynomial. Let us start with the first classification. When we say degree of the polynomial, we only focus on the degree of the first term. When the first term of the polynomial has a degree of 1, we call it linear. Let us have the examples. First, we have x minus y. As you can see, the exponent of x is not visible. Therefore, it is 1. Next, we have 3x, wherein x has an exponent of 1. What if the degree of the first term is 2? What do we call it? Let us see. It is called quadratic. Look at the examples. X squared minus y. Obviously, the degree is 2. Next, we have 3xy. In our previous video, to determine the degree of the term in a polynomial with multiple variables, we need to add the exponents of the variables. If the exponent of x is 1 and the exponent of y is 1, then we have 1 plus 1 equals 2. 3xy is in the second degree. For third degree polynomial, we call it as cubic. Example, x cubed minus y squared. Again, we just look at the first term, which is x cubed. Its exponent is 3, therefore it is cubic. Next, we have 3x squared y. We add the exponents 2 and 1, that is why it is in the third degree. If the polynomial is in the fourth degree, we call it QUARTIC. Let us see the examples. X to the fourth minus y squared. The first term has an exponent of 4, therefore it is in the fourth degree. Next, we have 3x squared yz. The exponents of the variables are 2, 1, and 1, a total of 4. Therefore, it is in the fourth degree. If the polynomial is in the fifth degree, it is called QUINTIC. For example, x to the fifth minus y cubed. The exponent of the first term is 5, therefore it is quintic. For the next example, we have 3x squared yz squared. The exponents are 2, 1, and 2, a total of 5. Therefore, the whole polynomial or the whole term is in the fifth degree. What do we call the polynomial in sixth degree or more? We call it as nth degree, depending on the degree of the polynomial. Look at the examples. In the first example, look at the first term. What is the degree of the term? Okay, so the polynomial is in the 8th degree. How about the second polynomial? What is the degree? Okay, so we have to add 4, 2, and 3. So that will be 9. So the polynomial is in the 9th degree. We are done with the degree of the polynomial. Let us now classify polynomials according to the number of terms. Remember that terms are separated by plus or minus sign. If the polynomial has one term only, this means that there is no plus or minus sign. We call this polynomial as monomial. From the word mono, which means one, just like in a monochrome, it means one color or shade only. Look at the examples. How about if the polynomial has two terms? We call it binomial. From the word bi, it means two, just like in a bicycle. A bicycle has two wheels. A binomial must have a plus or a minus sign. Check out the examples. In the first example, the terms are 3x to the 6th and 4. So we have two terms. In the second example, we have 4x to the fourth y squared z cubed and xy. We have two terms. A polynomial with three terms is called trinomial. From the word tri, it means three. Just like in the word tripod, it has three legs. Let us see the examples. The terms in the first example are 3x to the sixth, 4x, and 2. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Just like in the second example, first term, second term, third term. So we have a trinomial. What about if the polynomial has more than 3 terms? We call it multinomial. From the word multi, it means many, just like in multi-purpose or many purposes. Look at the examples. The first polynomial has how many terms? Very good, it has 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How about the second polynomial? Correct. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 terms. We call this a multinomial. That will be all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. I am Tep Tep Hooray. Don't forget to click the like button of this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.